Hello and welcome to another video by Virus Express. Today I'll be showing you the Jigsaw Ransomware. It's a ransomware that encrypts all your files and threatens to delete your files if you don't pay. It will delete more and more every hour if you don't pay, and it will delete some if you shut down as well. In this video I'm also going to show you how you can remove the ransomware by using a simple trick. The window is movable. All I'm going to do is restart into safe mode to begin the removal process. Now that I'm logged in, I've done the safe mode and Jigsaw doesn't pop up. The next thing you need to do is just do a simple Windows Defender scan. So I've just opened Windows Defender or any other antivirus you have. As long as it's not a rogue antivirus, it's totally fine. You open Windows and Defender and you do a scan. I would not do a quick scan for this. I would do a full scan just to be on the safe side.